Hey guys, Rob with Next Gen Rider again. So I'm going to do another quick video on the HugeRock X70 Tablet. This is going to be some general information and kind of my experience with tech support. When I got the unit, it comes with this M12 weatherproof cable, a really nice connector that connects power to the unit, and then you'll see you have a couple of power leads, but it also has these multicolored leads. There's a yellow, green, white, and gray lead, and I wasn't quite sure what those were about. So I'll jump over here on the computer, and all I did is I went through their chat box and reached out to them, and a real nice lady named Ivy got back to me, and then she put me in touch via WhatsApp with their product engineer, I believe is his title, and the guy's name is Mike. Super nice guy. So we chatted for a bit, and he gave me a lot of cool information about HugeRock. I'll jump over here to the picture. So with regard to the signaling, what this is this is RS-232 communication for the device, and this is going to allow you to use serial communication for a controller. Now they don't have a product available. I'll show you what they sent me. This is a 5-button controller that's just a not a controller, excuse me, 5-button switch that they've customized into a computer. And Mike told me they provide this to Chinese racing teams. He didn't tell me what type of racing. I'm going to circle back and talk to him a little bit more about that. But it looks like the 5-button switch wires up to some kind of serial interface, and then that gets routed to the unit via the M12 connector for control. And then you have 2 leads to provide power to the unit. So one other thing Mike told me about is, and I can attest that the HugeRock bracket doesn't work great. It really, it's a RAM style mount. It's very good quality, but it ends up putting the device kind of out, away from the nav bar, and the device is pretty heavy. So I couldn't even mount this on my nav bar after I went through the trouble of putting it on the bike. It worked out because I moved my Alien Rider up there, but I had to mount this device on my handlebars, and then it worked out great. It was fine. But I think they understand that that's not ideal, and they're releasing a new bracket. I'll give you a shot of that here to capture and hold the X70, and it looks like it's going to keep that tighter, and it looks like also locked. It's kind of hard to see what's going on there, but it looks like it may be captured and locked onto the bracket, which would be a good thing. And let's see, what else did I want to show you guys here? So it covers the signaling. For anybody interested, you can run over to Amazon, and this is a version of that 5-button switch, and you could play with that if you're a techie nerd type, and then use this to interface it to the X70 via the serial port with the serial interface. That's pretty much it. I just really wanted to highlight the really great support from HugeRock and give you guys a little bit of information. Oh, one other thing. There is a HugeRock X72 coming out, and he didn't really give me a lot of details about that. He said it's going to be coming out via crowdfunding in April. That's just next month. So look for that on Kickstarter or the other one that's out. I don't know which one they use. But if I had to guess, it's probably going to be another generation based on the X70, to probably get it in a smaller package, maybe without that 10,000 milliamp hour battery that really isn't necessary if you're mounted and powered on a motorcycle. So we'll see what that's about. Looking forward to that. Anyway, there you go. If you're interested in HugeRock product, reach out and talk to Ivy or Mike. Super good guys, and they'll answer all your questions for HugeRock products. Thanks for watching.